Hi guys, Peter here. This week we're going to put up the pool. We're going to do it fast time, so not to bore you, but you hopefully would have seen my other videos where we've dug a hole, built a retaining wall, built a decking. This is the final piece, getting a swimming pool up. I cannot wait to get in and have a swim. As you can see, the sun is shining. It's about time. There we are, the pool's up. We filled it with water. It's had a day or two to heat up. It's now 25 degrees in the pool. It's nearly 30 out here. So I'm dangling my feet and enjoying the water. But as you can see, we've got the ropes in place, which will stop anyone falling over. And we've put some hooks on one side so that we can climb down into the pool and climb back up out of the pool straight onto the decking. And on the other side, I've put knots just to hold it in place. So we've got some sun lounges and a parasol up, and it's looking really good. I'm so pleased with this whole project. I can't believe 2 months ago there was nothing but a slope here. It's been hard work, but I cannot wait to jump in there and have a swim. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, bye.